Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, trying to cook a delicious meal only to end up frustrated and exhausted? Well, fret no more, because today I have 10 mind-blowing cooking hacks that will revolutionize your kitchen and unleash the inner chef within you. Hack number 1. Did you know that you can easily peel garlic cloves without the hassle of crushing them? All you need to do is place the clove in a bowl, cover it with another bowl, and shake. Voila, the skin will come right off. Hack number 2. Are you tired of crying every time you cut an onion? Well, here's a simple trick for you. Just light a candle near your chopping board. The flame will attract the onion's sulfuric compounds, preventing them from reaching your eyes. Hack number 3. Have you ever struggled to scoop out the flesh of a ripe avocado? Well, worry no more. Just cut the avocado in half, make crisscross cuts through the flesh, and use a spoon to scoop it out easily. Hack number 4. Did you know that you can make an instant homemade buttermilk substitute? Just mix 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, and let it sit for a few minutes. You'll have a tangy buttermilk substitute in no time. Hack number 5. Do you hate when your cookies turn out flat and spread too much? Well, here's a secret. Chill your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least an hour before baking. This will help the cookies hold their shape better and result in a chewy, soft texture. Hack number 6. Have you ever struggled to cut a cake without making a mess? Well, use a dental floss. Just slide a dental floss underneath the cake, cross the ends over the top, and pull. You'll have perfect, clean slices every time. Hack number 7. Have you ever burned your tongue on a hot soup or drink? Well, here's a quick remedy. Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. The saliva glands will kick into action and cool your tongue down. Hack number 8. Have you ever had trouble peeling hard-boiled eggs? Well, try adding a teaspoon of baking soda to the water when boiling. The shells will come off easily, and you'll have perfectly peeled eggs in no time. Hack number 9. Are you tired of your herbs and spices losing their flavor? Well, store them in airtight containers away from heat and sunlight. This will help preserve their freshness and maximize their flavor. And finally, hack number 10. Do you struggle to keep your cutting board from sliding around? Well, place a damp towel or a damp paper towel underneath the board. This will prevent it from sliding and keep it secure while you chop. So there you have it. 10 mind-blowing cooking hacks that will revolutionize your kitchen and unleash your inner chef. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations, and hello to culinary success. Happy cooking!